being politically constructed, that is, having fixed borders objectively defined by the city government. On the other hand, neighborhoods are organic, social, cultural artifacts. And so borders are defined collectively by the people. They're therefore blurry, imprecise, subjective, and may be perceived differently by different people. So the goal of this work is we ask, can we use the footprints of the urban crowd as revealed through social media to shed light on this socially defined view of neighborhoods? And the underlying hypothesis that kind of drives our effort here is that the character of an urban area is defined not just by the types of places that are found there, but also by the people that make that area part of their daily routine. And so therefore, we hypothesize again, to discover unique areas or discover areas of unique character, we should look for clusters of nearby venues that are visited by many of the same people. So let me give you an intuition of that last part. Looking for clusters that find socially defined neighborhoods. If you watch people's movements over time, you'll notice that groups of like-minded people tend to stay in the same areas. And what we can do is then aggregate this collective behavior to form pairwise relationships between the venues that people visit, so that nearby venues are strongly related if they're visited by many of the same people, and weakly related if they're visited by different sets of people. We can then, given these pairwise relationships, use standard graph clustering algorithms to segment the city into spatially contiguous regions, which we call livelihoods. These regions are spatially contiguous, and they reflect the collective movement patterns of the people that visit the areas. Let me talk briefly about the data that we used for this study.